Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening. And yeah, man. I know it's been 5 years. Yeah, I'm too busy, and I know everyone says that, but honestly, yeah, I just wanted to come out and talk about this video that is all over social media about this lady from Spar. If you have not seen the video, it is all over the country. Uyithola yonke indawo. Everywhere you go nje njengo-MTN uyayithola nje ku-social media and all of that. Shuti, on this video, it's a video of a lady who is wearing a uniform. It's a spa, and she's busy pleasuring herself. And not only that, you can also see her privates, and you can also see her face. Allegedly, it's said that the video, it was okay. Now I got this with social media and all of that. It is said Guti, she was sending this video to her boyfriend, and then from the boyfriend it went to other people's phones, and yeah, and then now she's famous and all of that. We've seen a lot of these videos, I'm sure, of people in public spaces or even doing all these sexual acts a dollar. But these videos have been mostly overseas videos of people from the other side of the world who have been posting lama video, benza lama video, and all of that. But now, the thing that I feel like also made this go viral, Gakulu, is I also understand the face, her revealing her face, but now I don't really, maybe around her neighborhood, Lalo Sisebet Altalakon, or Ebetlalakon. Unfortunately, it is also said that she took herself out. She's no more because of all of this. We'll talk about that. But now, I'm sure la ahlala khona vele uzoduma, vele abamaziyo uzoduma ngokuthi bayamazi, hayibo usibanibani nimbonile yini, how usenza into ezinjena, bekwenze njani, how amahlaza and all of that. And for all of us who do not know her, into eyenze this whole video to go viral, it's a uniform. Because we know we sonke samazi Spar here in South Africa. We all know Spar. And the fact to someone is wearing a uniform as a Spar that we see each and every day. Now, that was like, oh, okay. So manje Spar. Or someone is a Spar. Or sends Indeganje. And that, I think, is a thing the attention of everyone, because even themselves, and I would hear people be like, "Hey boy, ubonela video." No, let me say it. And actually, ukuthi usiswa kuphi kuthiwa wasispa. Mangethi usiswa kuphi in the sense ukuthi, "Hayibo umbonile ni, for example, una lady umbonile ni usubani." The name, I didn't even bother looking up at the name because I just do not feel like it's I'll be helping the whole situation, because the last thing most people will want in a situation like this, they'll just want this to just blow over and idlule. You understand? It is said that she has also resorted to having to do what she did in terms of Uguti in the society. It is. But I can also imagine the embarrassment. I can also imagine, because people can also make you look like ukhohlakele man, only to find out ukuthi we all do these things. I know we do them privately, but we all do these things. And ogunye futhi, we all, or most of us, do send nudes. Understand? We do send nudes. It's just a pity kuti mawuzo send a nude. The person you are sending the nude to, ayidlulise to somebody else. And it's even worse if it's someone you trust, like your boyfriend. But when it comes to such things, as honestly speaking, guys, to boyfriends and all of that, I also do send nudes. I don't want to lie. I do. When it comes to I'm a boyfriend, guys, I'm a boyfriend, we can't really trust the people we are dating. Already they're cheating on us. Already they cheat. So even this thing of us having to trust these people with something that is so precious, more it's almost like we're trusting these people with our lives. Because now, look what happened. This video got out and it is said now, okay, when there is society. So it is more or less like simthamba ngempilo yethu. Not only ngempilo zethu, also with impilo zengane zethu. Because I also saw this other post go Twitter, but it was a screenshot from Facebook where somebody was saying the person who leaked this video, or the boyfriend who leaked this video, ruined not only this girl's life, but also the kids' lives, and also his own life, and all of that. Now the girl is downstairs. Honestly speaking, guys, when you send a nude, you don't show your face. You do not show your face whatsoever. I know sometimes I do show my face one day. I remember when I lost my phone last year when it was stolen. One thing I was worried about was the thing Gucci. All my sexual content, because I do have an OnlyFans, all my social content was going to be all over the place. And mind you, some videos I haven't even edited them out to hide my face and all of that. Yeah, boy, Leon. So, but in the same breath, I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to lie to you, because I even remember way back, man, before 2020, there was a time I was talking to these guys at work. I was like, guys, if something like this would happen to you, a sex tape, your sex tape could leak or something like that. Some guys were like, yo, Mina, I would leave this place. I'd relocate and all of that. And I was like, Mina, I wouldn't. Yes, kuzoba okwati, kuzoba a bit stressful or whatever, but Mina, I've always remained firm. If something like that ever happened to me, I would not do anything crazy. Even moving, for me, it's crazy, because I'm not going to drop everything and move somewhere else. Because anywhere I go, this thing will always be there. Yes, you can go to Wenyindao where you'll say people do not know you. But unfortunately, once you into internet, they always say that. Wenza njani mawufika kuleyo ndawo uthola ukuthi nakhona abakwazi, next thing usuyaqala uyaduma, next thing sebeyayithola na level, uyohlala relocate. You know, when I lost my phone, I was like, yo, my videos, my face, the people that I'm with, the good, my video and all of that. But Gogunye Futa was like, the only thing I can do is just to accept Gutazin and prepare myself mentally, Gutazin. This is what's going on, and yeah, I have to be ready to face whatever, what. And Vele, when you have kids, family, a husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, or anyone, you will be worried about that person, most especially if your face iyavela, most especially ngagin. Do not be worried if my face iyavela and they see my face. I won't be stressed about that, because those people do not know me. And even if they talk, I won't even hear them, or it's just not going to have any impact. Whereas la usukuhlala khona, that's when it becomes a problem, because ingane zakho zilapho, your family ilapho, they'll be reminded about all of this and all of that. I get that aspect ukuthi ish nalapho it is also another thing, another challenge. Understand? And yeah, man, nude guys, you don't show your face. You don't show your face. I know it's rich coming from me, but you don't show your face. And if you do show your face, you must always be prepared. What if this ever leaks or goes out into the public or to the public, that you will be mentally and physically strong to go through the scrutiny, whatever that the public is going to be hitting, coming at you with, because vele you will be judged. Abanye abakwazi nokwenza lezi zinto lo sesakwazi ukuzenza, abakhonji but uzona sebemjudge. Abanye bayazenza but bazoyenza ngathi bangcono. Same thing applies even with us gay people. You find people will be like, yeah, I'm gay, but you find out now ziyakhala. People like deflecting. Understand? So I see futhi there are people who are talking about ukuthi they're doing this and all of that. But with her, this girl, I don't think she is a porn star, because with everything that I've gathered or seen with social media, it was just said ukuthi she was sending it to a boyfriend yakhe. She was not doing this intentional to make money or for her videos to be seen by the whole world or anyone who wants to watch her video. No. So we can't expect two people who do something or who did into a similar or the same to have the same ukuthi no, yeah, why lo ngoba lo yakhona ukwenza ukuthi lo you can't do that, because enye into supposed to be my intentions. Understand? Phasi phinde sibheke nalokho. So yeah, and unfortunately ama-meme ke now they're all over the place. Even on Instagram, ama-memes asekhona manje about to Spar and all of that. And it was also said that she lost her job because of the uniform. And yeah, it is sad, hey. And I just hope that her kids and her family are going to be strong. And I hope she did not take herself out as yeah, because now if she did that, when into with us, abantu abamnyama, honestly speaking, when you do into kanjalo, it's kind of like embarrassing for the family or unje, because you see abantu. I even remember umama esho ukuthi yena akayi emngcwabeni womuntu owenze njalo. You understand? I think it's just going to be too much for the kids or the family to tell the person did this and then they also did this food. Kuzodlula. I know that's a cliche into ihlala isholo ukuthi akungadluli. Kuzodlula yazi. Kuzodlula. Nabo senbush sesikhohliwe kancane ngabo. You understand? Kuzodlula. Ngafuqa manga ikite engadlula empilweni, good or bad. Kuyadlula. We just need to be level-headed and be strong. Because another thing, the things that we do are, I just pray that we become mentally strong to be able to face whatever music or what that will come with the actions that we do. You understand? Yes, people will laugh. People will point fingers. People will do this. But into 4 years, Gucci, sonke nje ziyasikhalela guys. Ziyakhala nje, it's emotional damage. You know. So yeah, man, and to everyone who still does send nudes and their faces, you must be prepared, guys. Once this goes out, you don't going to say as in this is it for me. Ukwazi lokho lento ukuthi uthemba umadoda ini uzothemba igirlfriend But for guys, it's Lendo, I feel like it is also in double standard. Good for guys, the only time it will be bad, because I remember with Usain Boji allegedly, and that video of her, the Prince KB, she was the one who was kind of like a bit because nobuso bakhe bekuvela. And I've seen even with most of these videos online, the girl will be the one, if they are together with the guy, whose face is going to be shown, who will appear with it, but the guy's face doesn't appear. And the girl is the one who's going to be judged more compared to a guy. The only time a guy will be judged is if it's small. You understand? If it's big and all of that, then you'll be praised. You understand? So, unfortunately, it's the society that we live in. Yeah. I'm just praying for her family and everyone. Nje. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching this video, man. Do hit me up comment section ngisebenza ngubeni, and I enjoy when the video la engubeni because it's dark. So yeah, man, bye.